Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your browser privacy with Firefox Enhanced Tracking Protection, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your browser privacy with Firefox Enhanced Tracking Protection, first, open the Firefox browser on your computer. Look at the top right corner of the window for the three horizontal lines or the menu icon. Click on this menu icon to reveal the drop-down options. From the drop-down, select the Options or Preferences menu, depending on your operating system. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Enhanced Tracking Protection section. Here, you will see the default settings for Enhanced Tracking Protection. You can choose between Standard, Strict, or Custom settings. Selecting Standard blocks known trackers, but allows some cookies. Choosing Strict provides the most protection by blocking a wider range of trackers and cookies. If you prefer to customize, select Custom and adjust the options according to your preferences. After selecting your desired level of protection, take note of the option to block social media trackers and cryptominers. To check the current status of tracking protection on a specific website, look for the shield icon in the address bar. Click on the shield icon to view the tracking protection status for that site. Here, you can see how many trackers were blocked during your browsing session. If necessary, you can turn off Enhanced Tracking Protection for individual sites by toggling the switch. After making adjustments, navigate back to the Privacy and Security settings to apply any additional changes. Make sure to close and reopen your browser to ensure the new settings take effect. For ongoing monitoring, consider periodically checking your tracking protection settings. This ensures you maintain a high level of privacy while browsing with Firefox. By following these steps, you can confidently verify and enhance your browser privacy with Firefox Enhanced Tracking Protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.